Last one, solve square root of 7x equals 2 times the square root of x plus 3. In order to do that, I'm going to rewrite this a little more room. So square root of 7x equals 2 times the square root of x plus 3. We've got x's inside of our roots, so we have to get rid of those roots. So I'm going to square both sides. Now on the left side, the square and the square root cancel off, leaving us with just 7x. On the right side, we got to square a product, which means you're raising a product to a power, which means it gets distributed to both parts of the product. So it gets distributed to the 2, so 2 squared is 4. It also gets distributed to the group x, or square root of x plus 3, which just cancels out the square root, leaving us with just x plus 3. Now on the left side, nothing's changed yet. Let's clean up the right side a little bit. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. From there, just go through and solve like you would normally. Subtract 4x from both sides. 3x equals 12. And then to solve for x, to get it all by itself, we got to divide by 3, leaving us with just x equals 4. Now you can always go back and double check it. I'm going to do that just for kicks. Plugging it in, we get 7 square root of 7 times 4 equals 2 times the square root of 4 plus 3. 7 times 4 is 28. You know what? Actually, I'm going to leave that as is for now. You'll see why in a second. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. The reason I left the left side alone is because when you're taking the square root of a product, you can take the square root of each individual part. So it's the square root of 4 times the square root of 7, or square root of 7 times the square root of 4, which simplifies to 2 square roots of 7, which, hey, that's what we had on the other side anyways. So did it work? Sure did. We are good to go.